Welcome. Want in-demand IT skills without the financial burden? The Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, WIOA, could be your solution. Let's see how it can open doors for you with Vijay Computer Academy. Let me ask you this. Do you see yourself in one of these situations? Maybe you're looking for a new career in tech. Maybe you had to step away from the workforce and now want to return. You could be an absolute beginner, unsure of where to start. Or maybe you've been laid off, underemployed, or even just feeling stuck in your current role. You could be a veteran, a recent graduate still unsure of your skills, or someone who left school early. No matter your background, tech has a place for you, and opportunities are waiting. Here's the reality. Technology is reshaping every single industry. From healthcare to finance, logistics to retail, employers need people who can work with data, protect systems, and test software. But millions of people still lack the skills employers are begging for. That's where training comes in. By learning the right tech skills, you can step directly into one of these stable, high-paying careers, and change your life in the process. So, for what job roles are we talking about? Careers like data analyst, healthcare analyst, cybersecurity analyst, database administrator, and manual or automation software tester. These aren't just buzzwords. These are real roles, with real employers actively hiring right now. And the best part? They're not limited to the tech industry. Every company, big or small, needs people with these skills. You can train for all these high-demand IT skills through Vijay Computer Academy's IT programs. Our top live instructor-led online IT programs are Data Analyst, Database Technician, Cybersecurity Support Technician and Software Application Developer, Tester. Now, let's tackle a question many people wonder about: tuition. We all know education is an investment, but sometimes the cost can feel like an impossible barrier. Our program's tuition is highly competitive and affordable compared to global standards, but you might be thinking, how can I pay for training if I don't have a job right now? That's a completely fair concern. Luckily, there's a solution. This is where WIOA comes in. WIOA is a USA federal program, started in 2014, to make sure people like you can get trained for today's high-demand jobs. What makes it so powerful is that it can cover tuition, provide support services, and help you access training at no cost to you. It's honestly one of the best-kept secrets for anyone serious about building a new career. And it's not just tuition. WIOA can also help with books, supplies, and even things like transportation or childcare, depending on your situation. You'll also get connected to career advising and other wraparound services. It's designed to make sure nothing stands in the way of your success. So, who actually qualifies for WIOA? First, you need to be legally authorized to work in the US. Beyond that, it depends on your situation, and there are several groups who are a great fit. Let's break those down. If you're between 18 and 24 and not currently in school or employed, WIOA could be perfect for you. It's also a great option if you're a young parent, if you're re-entering society after being in the justice system, or if you just need extra help building basic job skills. It's about opening doors early and giving you a head start in a career with real future growth. Scan the QR code for more details. For adults, WIOA provides a pathway back into stability. If you've been laid off, working a job that doesn't pay enough, or struggling with housing, finances, or even living with a disability, this program is meant to give you a fresh start. It's especially important for people who want to build job-ready skills and move into a career with long-term security. And for our military community, WIOA prioritizes you. If you're transitioning out of service, if you're a spouse of an active duty member, or if you're a veteran, this program can provide the support and funding you need to train for your next mission, a strong civilian career in tech. Okay, so how does it actually work? First, you apply at your local workforce office. Then you'll meet with a career advisor who checks your eligibility. After that, you'll select Vijay Computer Academy from the eligible training provider list. Don't worry, we're already on there in multiple states. You submit your documents, like ID and proof of income, and once your funding is approved, you start your training with us. This is where it all comes together. Vijay Computer Academy has over 34 years of experience making tech learning easy and accessible. We know how to teach absolute beginners and career changers, and we're already approved as a training provider in several states. Combine our proven programs with WIOA funding, and you've got an incredible opportunity waiting for you. Let me give you a quick snapshot of the programs you can choose from. Our Data Analyst program is 240 hours and covers everything from Excel to SQL, databases, Tableau, and Power BI, ending with a real-world capstone project. Scan the QR code to learn more about this program. Our Cybersecurity Support Technician program is 150 hours and gives you foundations in networking, ethical hacking, cryptography, and cloud security. Scan the QR code to learn more about this program. And our Software Application Developer and Tester program is 240 hours, combining programming, web development, and both manual and automated testing with tools like Selenium. Scan the QR code to learn more about this program. Each program is interactive, beginner-friendly, and designed to prepare you for real jobs. And don't worry, you're not doing this alone. At VCA, we'll provide a referral letter for your program. We can follow up with your career advisor if you share their info, and we'll guide you step by step through your application. Our goal is to support you until your funding is approved, so you can focus on what matters, starting your training. Training is only the beginning. With VCA, you'll also get live instructor support, guidance even after classes, and access to AI-powered job resources. We've partnered with UPro to provide job placement assistance, and we connect you with apprenticeship pathways and remote work opportunities. We're invested in your success beyond the classroom. Now is the time to take action. Don't wait, connect with your local American Job Center, ask about WIOA tuition assistance, and choose Vijay Computer Academy as your training provider. Then reach out to us so we can guide you every step of the way. If you still have questions, we're here for you. You can call or text us, message us on WhatsApp, or simply fill out our online inquiry form. Our team is ready to walk you through the process and help you take advantage of this life-changing opportunity. Don't let tuition hold you back. With WIOA and VCA, your new career in tech is within reach.